The surprising skin benefits of pineapple. Nature's secret to glowing, youthful skin. Have you ever wondered if the same fruit that makes your smoothies sweet and refreshing could also be your secret weapon for radiant, youthful skin? What if I told you that one of the most popular fruits in the world, pineapple, holds the key to firmer, more hydrated, and glowing skin? It might sound too good to be true, but pineapple has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of skin concerns. Today, I'm going to show you how this tropical fruit, which you probably already have in your kitchen, can completely transform your skincare routine. And I'll even share an easy, effective DIY mask you can make at home to unlock its full skin benefits. So, if you're ready to discover how pineapple can change the way your skin looks and feels, keep watching. Pineapple. A hidden skincare gem. Pineapple isn't just a delicious tropical fruit that brings a burst of sweetness to your day. It's also a powerhouse for skincare. Many people don't realize that pineapple is packed with enzymes, vitamins, and antioxidants that can significantly benefit your skin. For example, bromelain, the key enzyme in pineapple, helps exfoliate the skin, reduce inflammation, and brighten your complexion. These properties make pineapple an excellent choice for treating puffiness under the eyes, fighting acne, and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In fact, the enzymatic exfoliation provided by pineapple works similarly to alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, which are commonly found in many skincare products designed to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a fresher, smoother complexion. While most people associate AHAs with chemicals like glycolic acid, pineapple offers a natural, gentler alternative, making it ideal for people looking for a more organic approach to skincare. The science behind pineapple's skin benefits. So, what makes pineapple so effective in skincare? The answer lies in its powerful enzyme, bromelain. Bromelain is a protease enzyme, meaning it breaks down proteins. And in the case of your skin, it breaks down the proteins that hold dead skin cells together. This enzymatic action allows for natural exfoliation, leaving your skin looking more radiant and refreshed. Unlike other chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid or lactic acid, bromelain works by digesting the bonds between the skin cells, which is a gentler process. This makes pineapple a great option for individuals with sensitive skin who may not tolerate stronger exfoliants. Moreover, bromelain is so potent that it's even used in the food industry to tenderize meat. If you've ever eaten a lot of pineapple and felt a slight tingling in your mouth, that's bromelain at work, breaking down proteins in your mouth. This is the same effect that happens when pineapple is applied to your skin. But don't worry, it's completely safe as long as you follow some basic guidelines. Why pineapple is the ultimate skin superfood? Pineapple isn't just packed with bromelain. It's also an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that is essential for healthy, youthful skin. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin's elasticity and preventing sagging. Collagen is often referred to as the glue that holds the skin together, and as we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to wrinkles and loss of firmness. By incorporating pineapple into your skincare routine, you can help stimulate collagen production and give your skin a firmer, more youthful appearance. In fact, did you know that just 1 cup of pineapple contains more than 130% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C? That's even more than an orange. This makes pineapple a great natural alternative to costly serums and creams packed with synthetic vitamin C. Additionally, pineapple's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin, making it a fantastic option for those dealing with acne, redness, or puffiness. It not only exfoliates the skin, but also helps calm irritation, giving you clearer and healthier-looking skin. How to incorporate pineapple into your skincare routine. Now that you understand the powerful effects of pineapple on your skin, you might be wondering, how can I use it effectively? Fortunately, incorporating pineapple into your skincare routine is easy, and you don't need any fancy products. Here's a simple DIY pineapple mask that combines the skin benefits of pineapple with other natural ingredients to create a nourishing and rejuvenating treatment for your skin. DIY Pineapple Face Mask Recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, preferably full fat, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, a pinch of turmeric, use sparingly as it can stain. 2. Instructions. Blend the pineapple chunks into a smooth paste. Mix in the yogurt and honey until well combined. Apply the mask to your clean face, avoiding the eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water. The combination of pineapple's bromelain with yogurt's lactic acid will help exfoliate your skin, while honey adds moisture and antibacterial properties. If you choose to add turmeric, just be cautious with the amount. A little goes a long way. This mask can be applied once or twice a week, and you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin with consistent use. Final thoughts. A tropical skincare treat for all skin types. Pineapple is much more than just a delicious fruit. It's a natural skincare gem that can work wonders for your skin. With its ability to exfoliate, brighten, and fight signs of aging, pineapple is the perfect ingredient to add to your skincare routine. And the best part is that it's completely natural and affordable. Whether you consume it for its internal benefits or apply it directly to your skin, pineapple will help you achieve a glowing, youthful complexion. If you're ready to give your skin the ultimate tropical treat, try the DIY mask I shared with you today and see how pineapple can transform your skincare routine. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more easy and effective skincare tips that you can incorporate into your daily life. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to healthier, more radiant skin, naturally.